Dear students, so integral calculus is one of the part of calculus. Already we can enter the one of the process like a elementary integrations by using its related mother topic is nothing but differentiation. Okay, then again enter the journey. Already you know that, but going on journey is one of the method. Already have discussed methods. One of the method is integration by substitution. So integration, but you have got methods of integration, but I have already told that, but one of the method is integration by substitution, and also some topics are there, subtopics like integration by algebraic process, integration by trigonometrical substitutions. So previous problems, those problems are belongs to integration substitution. Now we will discuss one of the method going on second method, that is method 2. So that is integration by parts. Integration by parts. Okay. What about by parts is nothing but product rule only. What about its rule is product rule. Okay, but already previous you know very well, integral of a single function you know very well. In case two functions are given, that product of two functions according to differentiation you know very well. Product of two functions are given, that one of the function just keep it here only, derivative of second one. Second one keep it here only, derivative of first one, that is according to differentiation. But present integration by parts means product rule given, that what about the product of the product of two functions like u and v can be integrate using formula. What about using formula? So what about formula, that is, you can observe that. Okay, integral of uv, so which is you don't know, but integration is nothing but after integrating the degree is decreasing. After differentiation the degree will decreasing order. Increase, one is increasing, another is decreasing. But after integrate, but we have got one of the end point is required. So that purpose, so we can applying the one of the technique is there, one of the tip is there. What about choice? So one of the choice, so the choice of u and v can be decided by one of the method islet. Okay, guideline, like according to guideline it is. What about its process? First one just keep here only, integral of second function, right, minus integral of derivative of the first function, right. Okay, integral of second one. What about you have the observation? First of all, to find the first and second. First one just you can apply, just keep it early. Next to differentiation. What about second one is nothing but you can applying the integration. What about you have the result of which is the first and second? That is depends on one of the formula is there, that is islet. What about islet is nothing but you can observe it. First three letters are given, that any first three letters we can treat as a first function, right? Okay, any two functions are given, that last two functions treat as second one, right? Any three, first I or L or A is there, first one will treat as, either T or E is there, second one. In case we have got doubt, either I or L, given that it is one of the first one, right? First one. What about algebraic treat as second one? In case two functions are belongs to first part only, one of the should not having I and L combination, amma. Either I or L, given that one more algebraic process. Okay, in case product of any two functions in the first part, given that either I or L, treat as first one, A as the second one. What about second two? If as well like that is depends on problem, either T treat as first one, then second one is E. In case some problems depends on E is the first one, then T is the second one. I will explain that what about first and second in second part of the problem. What about I is nothing but I stands for inverse trigonometry. What about inverse trigonometric function? Inverse trigonometric function. So we have the result like a sin inverse x, cos inverse x, etc. Okay. What about next L? But L stands for logarithmic functions, right? Logarithmic functions like a. So what about we have the log of x, log square of x, and so on. Okay. What about A is nothing but algebraic function. Algebraic function. Algebraic function. So that is 1, x, x square, and so on. What about T is nothing but go to trigonometric function. Trigonometric function. Trigonometric function. So we have the example like a sin x, cos x, and so on. One more E. E stands for exponential. Exponential function. Exponential function. So what about A power x, E power x? These are the exponential functions. You can observe it, integration by parts. So that is also nothing but one of the rule, product rule. Why? Because already have the product of two functions is there. But product of two functions, so one of the function will differentiate, second one will nothing but integrate. But which is the first and second? That is choice of U and V can be decided by the one of the tip like a eyelet. Eyelet. But what about eyelet? First two parts you can divide. So first three letters treat as one of the part, that is treat as first function, right? Okay. Then remaining two, what about T and E are given that is second part. Any one of first part treat as first one. Any one of second part is treat as second function, right? First one always remember differentiation. Second one is nothing but integration. Differentiation, integration, finally one of the place, one of the point that will end. Okay na? So that purpose will consider what about first and second by using according to eyelet. What about eyelet is nothing but one of the inverse trigonometric function. What about L is logarithmic function, A is algebraic function. What about T? Trigonometric function. E is the exponential function. So these are very, very important, So it is complete total calculus by using this formula. Just you can remember once again. First one is nothing but differentiation. Second one is nothing but integration. First function is differentiation. Second one is integration. So it is one of the part is nothing but integration by parts. By means one of the part is differentiation. Second part is nothing but integration. What about we'll discuss this problem. So we can observe that. So next one of the I will say one of the example problem, evaluate integral of xo tan inverse of xo. Okay. But already you can search, immediately you can enter that what about its tip is there, one of the tip. One of the algebraic function, second one is inverse. Okay, again we have got to both the functions having first part. Again search, what about either I or L treat as first function item. I or L as treat as first one. What about second one is algebraic function. What about you have the process you know very well. What about first one write down, that is keep tan inverse of xo. Integral of second one write down. Okay, fine. Minus integral of derivative of first one. So that is d by dx of tan inverse integral of x dx of dx right. Okay. But next, what about integral of x? Just keep dualities. Integral of x you know very well, that is x square by 2 tan inverse x right. Okay, fine. Minus integral right. What about derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. Integral of x you know very well, that is x square by 2 whole dx right. Again integral. Okay. But first one we should not disturb. Just keep it x square by 2 tan inverse x. Okay, fine. What about second one? Already you know that previous class you have got types of, already you know that was so and so type. X square by 1 plus x square is there. What about idea? Suddenly should not get idea. What about process which is one of the improper fraction? Improper means degree of numerator and denominator both are same is there. So that is called improper fraction. By using divided method or alternate, I will say that 1 plus x square is there. Numerator we have required plus 1. Immediately you can subtract. It is one more method, or by using divisible method. So adding and subtracting. Okay, fine. 1 plus x square 1 plus x square. What next? Get cancel. What about its total result? 1. Integral of 1 dx is nothing but x, you know that. Okay. X square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2. Okay. What about result? Its total result 1. Integral of 1 dx is x. Same sign right down. Already you have the standard integration is there. Its total result is tan inverse x plus c. Okay. It is one of the method. One more problem we can observe that. Okay. Integral of like a sine inverse x given that. What about sine inverse x? Only single function is there by using product rule. What about product? One more function, just we can assume that function is sine inverse x into 1 dx right down. You should not change the principal value of the function. Okay, what about sine inverse is first one I, okay na? Second one is algebraic function. But I will say that alternate method. What about alternate? Just you can write down first method, first function. Then next go to second one write up. What about first one is sine inverse xo. Okay, fine. What about second one is 1. But I have already told that. What about first one is differentiation, second one is integration. See once again, derivative of sine inverse 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, fine. What about integral of 1 dx? So x right enough. Only you can apply inverse or log function given that it is one of the tip. But you should not applying the formula, just you can observe that it is one of the tip shortcut method. First one derivative, second one integrate. See, you can observe that it's a product of these two functions, right? Okay, next minus, right? Then product of these two functions, integral of, see once again its result, product of these two functions, x sine inverse x, okay fine, finish, minus integral we can write down. Then next to product of these two functions, what about x by square root of 1 minus x square, or like a 1 into x dx. Once again, what about first and second, you know very well, okay fine. Derivative of the first one, then integral of the second function, right up, okay. Then next to product of these two functions is one of the result, finish, minus, right, minus integral, then product of these two functions, right, okay. What about its result? You can search. What about x sine inverse x minus, but we'll prepare one of the formula is there, that formation is f dash of x by square root of f of x dx is 2 square root of f of x. Okay, what about derivative of 1 minus x square? You can think about internally, we have about minus 2x, already minus is there, only x is there, but what about 2? 2 is required, so we can multiplying and dividing with 2, right? Either like either multiplying and dividing or adding and subtracting, you should not change the principal value, okay. You can check. What about result? We have the formation f dash x by root f of x, f dash x by, its derivation is minus 2x. So we'll get the result is x sine inverse x plus, right, plus 1 by 2. What about result? F dash x by root f of x is 2 root f of x, okay. So 2 get cancelled. What about result? X sine inverse plus root of 1 minus x square is the one more type of the function problem. First one clearly mentioned that product of two functions, okay, don't worry, you can applying the integration by parts rule or product rule. But what about integral of sine inverse given that? But integral of sine x you know very well, but integral of sine inverse they have no formula. Which is the suitable formula? Oh, don't worry, either inverse or log function given that by using integration by parts. Once again, either inverse function or log function given that by using product rule. Either log x given that you can write down log x into 1 or inverse only given that inverse into 1 write down. So we have got two functions are there. One of the first one, second one according to islet. So it is one of the method by using integration by parts or product rule. Okay. But next again you can enter the one of the type of integration is there. What about type of integration? Integration by cancelled. Integration by cancelled is one of the method is there. What about integration by cancelled is nothing but so we have the process. One of the result e power x of f of x plus f dash of x dx is e power x into f of x plus c. What about cancelled? You can observe it. So we have got product of two functions are there. Okay, you can observe it, its process. I will explain that. What about integral of e power x? Okay. But what next to f of x dx, right? plus e power x f dash amma, e power x so f dash of x dx. Okay, fine. But now only just second one, keep it here only. By using first one on integration by parts. What about f of x is the algebraic function, e power x is the exponential function by using Euler. But first one is algebraic, second one is exponential. But I have already told that first one and second one. Okay. What about first one? F of x. Second one e power x. Already what about process? So derivative of first one is f dash. Integral of second one is e power x. What about next? It's process plus right up. Okay. Then next go to minus. Okay. What about next process? Product of these two functions right up. That is e power x into f of x. Fine. Enough. Minus. What next to integral right up. Then next what? Product of these two functions, that is e power x into f dash of x so dx right up. Already same term is there, you can keep it here, e power x so f dash of x so dx. What next to? By cancel. It is one of the integration by cancel. What about you have the result e power x so f of x plus c. Okay, but okay, it is one of the problem. Okay, it is one of the formula. We can also treat as one of the formula. Okay, one of the problem we can observe it integral of e power tan inverse of xo. Okay, fine. What about x to x square plus x plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx given that. But always remember e power x of given that will prepare the formation e power x of, or good alternate I will say that one more method is there, one more problem. So that problem is nothing but integral of e power tan x of sin x minus secant x. Okay. What about you have the process? Will prepare the product of two functions tan x sin x. Okay, minus integral of e power tan x secant x right up. Okay, I'll say that. Okay, don't worry. Previous also I'll explain that. Don't worry. What about here only? But as well but I have told that what about first one will treat as x. Both are second part is there, exponential and trigonometry. Now we'll consider first one is tan x so e power. Second one is sin x. What about second term? Just keep it here only. Okay. What about first term is e power tan x. The second one is sin x. What about process derivative of e power tan x is e power tan x into secant square x. Okay, fine. What about integral of sin x is cos x. What about next to process, you know very well. What about tip plus. The next what about here only, you know very well, minus. Without applying the formula, just you can apply it is one of the tip shortcut method. So product of these two functions right now e power tan x cos x. Okay, minus product of these two functions e power tan x secant square x cos x. Okay, fine. Plus what about one more term, just already is there, same as it is right now, minus integral of sin, you know very well, minus of minus plus right. Once again, integral of sin is minus cos, minus right now product of these two functions and also multiplying with the negative sign. What about you have the sign is minus of minus plus. Already second term we have the sign is negative is there, so we have the result minus e power tan x secant x dx. What about secant square cos x result secant x only, already secant x is there, get cancel. What about you have the result e power tan x cos x. So is one of the result of given problem. So you can observe it. What about integration by cancelled? Integration by cancelled. So it is one of the formula. What about you have the process of both are belongs to second part only. Second part means both are trigonometry and exponential, but I have told that, but depends on given problem. Choice either exponential or trigonometry will get treated as first and second. Okay, exponential first one, trigonometry second one by using one of the shortcut. What about derivative of first one, integral of second one? But you know that process, product of these two functions. Okay, but here minus is there, minus right, minus of, and result also minus e power tan x right. Once again, product of these two functions, one of the function e power tan x, one more function minus cos x. What about you have the result is minus e power tan x cos x. Okay, minus of minus product of these two functions. What about result plus? But here only minus is there, but plus minus get cancelled. What about you have the result minus e power tan x cos x is the one of the result. That problem belongs to integration by cancelled is also treated as one of the formula. Okay, well, one more, one of the formula we can treat as, so one more problem, integral of e power 2x, okay, 1 plus sin 2x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. Okay, but should not have one of the standard formation, that is e power x of f of x plus f dash of x. We can reduce, will prepare the formation like by using trigonometrical ratios. Why? Because the given problem belongs to trigonometry. Okay, again search what about trigonometrical formula. One of the formula is there, so that is 1 plus what about sin 2x result 2 sin x cos x. Okay, fine. What about 1 plus cos 2x? You can search one of the formula, that is 2 cos square x is there. 2 cos square x. Okay, fine. What next one of the common factor get cancelled. Okay, fine. What next problem e power 2x by 2 into secant square x. Okay, what next plus e power 2x right. Okay, what about sin by cos is nothing but tan x. Okay, second term just keep it here only. What about first one here only? You can applying the process. One of the first one is nothing but first one is exponential right. Second one is secant square. Why? Because we have required one of the tan is there. Integral of secant square is tan. But what about you have the process, you know very well. I told that e power 2x by 2 secant square x. Okay. What about derivative of e power 2x? 2 into e power 2x by 2. Okay, fine. Integral of secant square tan. That's all. What about you have the process plus next go to minus. Say how say result product of these two functions. What about sign positive right? So plus like a e power 2x by 2 tan x minus right. Okay, product of these two functions both are positive only. Just keep it only. What about result e power 2 get cancel, e power 2x tan x right. Okay, fine. What about second term? As it is you can write down e power. What about you have the result cancelled, integration by cancelled. What about you have the result e power 2x by 2 tan x plus c is the one of the result. Okay, one more problem. So it is one of the problem like a evaluate integral of e power x of 1 minus x by 1 plus x square whole square given that. So always remember e power x of given that problem will prepare the formation e power x of f of x plus f dash of x, or that is nothing but belongs to integration by cancelled formation. You can check what about process e power x, right? Okay, fine. 1 minus x whole square is there. What about expansion of 1 minus x whole square? 1 plus x square minus 2x. Okay, fine. What about next denominator? 1 plus x square whole square, keep it only, by 1 plus x square whole square. Okay, but next what about, again we will prepare one more step, formation f of x plus f dash of x. So e power x of 1 by 1 plus x square plus minus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square dx. You can check derivative of f of x is nothing but that is minus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square. But we will get the formation f of x plus f dash of x is there. What about result? Its result which is f of x. Okay, fine. Which is nothing but result f of x. Its result is nothing but f dash. What about its final result? E power x f of x plus c. In place of f of x result e power x, or we have the result like a integral of e power x of f of x f dash of x dx is e power x f of x plus c is one of the formula. What about its result number into 1 by 1 plus x square? So e power x by 1 plus x square. What about both the functions involving e power x formation? In case is it possible to reduce the formation f of x plus f dash of x? In case you don't know that you have the formation, or by using the integration by cancelled formation. First two can applying the integration by parts. Second one just keep it orally. Then we have the result but get cancellation. Finally you have the result of the given problem. What about differences? Second one can be reduced to the standard form. First one is nothing but in case you have got doubt is there, but first of all you can simplify that. We have got two terms are there. Two terms. Just second term of the integration keep it here only. Only first term of the integration by using product rule or integration by parts. You know what about first and second? What about you have the result is there? One is minus, second one is plus, get cancellation, then we have the result. So those problems, these two problems are belongs to integration by cancelled. Whatever form problem, these problems, two problems are belongs to integration by cancelled. Okay, it is one of the formation. Next one more integration by cancelled problem. So one more type of the problem. Same, it's a related problem. Integral of 1 minus log x by 1 plus log x whole square given that. Sir, but already I have told that e power x of given that by using integration by parts, integration by cancelled, but given problem which is does not belongs to integration by cancelled. What about, sir? Don't worry. So what about algebraic function is there, but here only log x is there. One of the process will consider by using substitution method. Already have discussed previous classes. What about substitution method? Okay, log of x to the base e is t. What about x is equal to e power t? You know very well already how perfect in the substitution method. Derivative of x so dx. What about derivative of e power t? E power t dt, fine. Okay, what about the result? The integration, the above integration becomes 1 minus t, 1 minus t by 1 plus t square, t square. What about whole square? What about in place of dx e power t dt? Now we can observe the previous problem. Same formation is there, same formation as it is e power t, e power x, 1 minus t square, okay na? It is the 1 minus okay, 1 minus t by 1 plus t whole square. What about its result? E power x by 1 plus x square. In place of x is equal to what about result t, right? That's all. E power t by 1 plus t square. No need of process, already how the result is there. No need of just substitute their corresponding value. Okay, what about t is the assumed. What about e power t result x, that's all, by 1 plus what about t is nothing but log of x whole square is the result. You can observe it. Oh, already one of the process, you know that we can minimize the steps only. But immediately you get idea, oh, one of the problem can be reduced to the one of the integration by cancelled formation. Okay na? So it is one type of problem. So these three problems are belongs to integration by cancelled, integration by cancelled. Okay, one more type of the formula is there, integration by cancelled. Just keep your mind, integral of x f dash of x plus f of x dx is nothing but x f of x plus cm. It is one of the form of integration of the type, integration of the type. So it is one of the formation. Okay, what about is also belongs to cancellation, integration by cancelled. But already you know that integral of derivative of f of x dx is nothing but f of x plus c. Derivative of integral of f of x dx is nothing but f of x only. What about difference between these two functions? You know very well one of the result sine inverse of sine x is nothing but you know very well x only. One is inverse next function, same antiderivative derivative. What about result? Function only. What about result? Function only. Difference first derivative then integrate. What about put constant? First integrate then derivative. After derivative what about constant is nothing but 0. Just it is remember the formula. Okay, what about problem by using integration by cancelled? So can observe it. So given problem x f dash of x dx plus f of x, right? Okay, by using formula one of the process, it is first one, right, which is nothing but second one. Already you know that process x, second one is f dash of x, derivative of x is 1, integral of derivative, integral of derivative is f of x, right? That's all. Now we have the process, you know very well, plus next term result minus. What about you have the result x into f of x? Okay, minus product of these two functions. What about 1 into f of x is f of x. Already second term of the integration integral of f of x. So what about x2? Cancelled. What about result is xo f of xo. So it is one of the formula. Just you can remember, amma, is one of the tip also. Xo f of x. Its derivation is f dash formation is there. What about you have the result, amma? X into f of x. X into f of x. But I will say that one of the its related problem. What about integral of sine of log x, sine of log x plus cos of log x. Okay. What about idea? Log sine of log x plus cos of log x given that, but you have got single terms are there, but should not get idea. Okay, don't worry. Okay, by using substitution method is also, they have no standard formation. What about alternate? Again think about what about substitution method, how many types are there? What about integration by parts? So what about running one of the cancellation, integration by cancelled, one of the formation e power x of f of x plus f dash, but they have no e power x, leave it. What about one more? Oh, one of the formula is there, x into f dash of x plus f of x. It's the result of x f of x. Oh, the given problem can be reduced to the formation. Is it possible or not? Is it possible or not? You can check about, already have the fix, you have the formation, but is it possible? See once again, cos is there. What about f of x? Some result sin x, right? F of x is sin. Okay, but next to its derivation is cos. See once again, f of x is equal to sin of log x. What about derivative of sin of log x result? Cos of log x, again derivative of log x is 1 by x, but only log cos of log x is there. Now we can write down x into cos of log x so into 1 by x dx, 1 by x plus f sin of log x. Now we can check. See, should not get idea suddenly. But you can search what about substitution method, they have no formation. What about you can enter the integration by parts, only single function is there. Again integration by parts, one of the part is there. Integration by cancelled, again integration by cancelled, one of the formation e power x is there. They have no e power x, leave it. One of the formation x f dash is there. Oh, one is x is required. Immediately dividing, multiplying and dividing with x. Now we have the result, it is f of x, which is total treat as f dash of x. Check x, f of x, f dash formation is there. What about we have the result x into, what about f of x is nothing but sin of log x. That's all, we will get the result. Very simple technique. First you can observe it, first of all should not get idea of any problem. Just you can stay in that problem for few seconds. What about should not get idea. Again what about search, what about one of the methods of integration, substitution, no formula. Next go to integration by parts, but we have got running cancelled, integration by cancelled. So one of the formation is there, just you can multiplying and dividing with x, so we will get the formation, then substitute their corresponding values, we will get the result of given problem. Okay, so it is one of the type of problem in the second type of cancelled, second type of cancelled, integration by cancelled. So one more problem, you can observe that, okay na? So that problem is integral of e power tan inverse x of x square plus x plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Complete indirect given that should not get idea also. Okay, e power x already is there, sir, but should not have the formation e power x of f of x plus f dash. What about alternate? Don't worry, we should not get the right way in suddenly, okay na? But one by one, first time should not get idea. Okay, don't worry, again and again. But next you can observe a formation x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 result to 1. What about next x by x square plus 1 is there. See once again x by x square plus 1 half right down. See x into already have fixed your formation x into f dash of x plus f of x is there x e power tan inverse of x 1 by 1 plus x square. Check x e power tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square plus x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 result first and third one x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 total result 1 into e power tan inverse. So e power tan inverse. Okay, but now we can observe that result so its total we have f dash of x. What about its result f of x? You know very well x f dash of x plus f of x is nothing but x into f of x. In place of f of x result e power tan inverse x plus c. That's all. See, first of all you have got to complete indirect here, that should not get idea. Okay, we can think about, we can stay just a few seconds. Oh, should not get idea only. What about process? What about substitution method? They have no formula. What about next integration? Oh, integration, one of the second type of cancelled method is there. That is x f dash plus f of x formation is there. The given problem can be reduced to the formation. Then substitute their corresponding values. So it is one of the type of problem. So one more problem given that is also cancelled, integration by cancelled formation, but complete entirely different given that problem is nothing but integral of x square by x sin x plus cos x whole square. So complete is also belongs to integration by cancelled. Okay. What about you have the process should not get idea only. Okay. Some technique we can observe. These problems are like a brain cracking problems, like those problems are advanced level problems. Okay, but thinking, what about that is depends on your intelligence, your creativity. We have got concept oriented. But one of the process, okay, x secant x right now. Okay, next x cos x by x sin x plus cos x whole square. Check. Same denominator as it is x into x square secant x cos x is 1. Okay, should not change of the principal problem, principal value. Now we'll treat as one of the first one it is. What about next go to second one? Second one. Okay. What about next you have the result is nothing but so first one just keep it only x secant x. What about second one x cos x by x sin x plus cos x whole square. What about next result? Its result derivative of x secant x is nothing but just keep it here only x of secant x result secant x tan x plus secant x Derivative of x is 1, fine. But the second one is nothing but of a formation integral of f dash of x by f of x whole square. Its result just you can remember minus 1 by f of x. Minus 1 by. See, derivative of x sin x plus cos x result x cos x only. What about formation f dash x by f of x whole square is minus 1 by f of x, that is x sin x plus cos x. Okay, fine. What about next process? You know very well, it is one of the plus, right? What about next term? You know very well, minus. Okay, product of these two functions, right? Plus of minus sum result minus minus. What about numerator? X secant x. Okay, fine. Denominator x sin x plus cos x. Okay, plus next go to what about result? So one of the result is nothing but minus of minus plus only. Okay, fine. What about its total result? X. Secant is there, cos, right? Tan is there, sin by cos. What about after we have the simplification x sin x plus cos x by cos square. Its total result is already into product, right? 1 by x sin x plus cos x. Okay. What about next term? It is one of the formula. Okay. Next whole square is there. Only one of the function. Enough. Now get cancel. One of the function is get cancel. What about result? Minus x secant x by x sin x plus cos x plus integral of 1 by cos square is secant to square. Now we have the result. That result is minus x secant x by x cos sin x plus cos x. Integral of secant square tan x. So given problem also belongs to integration by parts. Integration by parts method. For example, should not have product of two functions is there, given problem. You can observe at previous, you know that one of the static problem, two functions clearly mention that. So that purpose by using integration by parts. Okay, fine. Next, one more problem, only single function is there, that is integral of sine inverse. What about sine inverse is there, but they have no product of two functions. But what about they have integrations? They have no standard formation in the elementary integration. By using integration by parts only. Integration by parts method. Okay, but product is required. So one of the product is nothing but algebraic method 1, right? 1. So we have the result of product of two functions is there by using integration by parts. Present you can observe that you have different is there. Should not have product of two functions, entirely different to previous problems. But given problem also by using integration by parts, when by using some technique is there, some idea. What about under practice we'll get the ideas. What about can reduce its derivation is okay, fine. But we have the formation f dash by x, f of x is nothing but minus. So it is one of the formation. But simply you can remember its problem formation. I will explain that one more. It's a related problem. That problem is formation integral of x square plus 20 by x sin x plus 5 cos x whole square dx. Entirely different to previous problem, but which is also similarly recent problem. It is similar to. What about similarly previous, you know very well, one of the result is nothing but multiplying and dividing with cos is there. But present we should not get the formation. What about alternate? So one of the alternate method is nothing but it is also one of the complete brain cracking problem. Okay, multiplying and dividing with x power 8 right, first of all. What about x power 8 of x square plus 20. Okay, fine. What about denominator? X power square is there. But x power 4 whole square, that is x power 5 sin x plus 5 x power 4 cos x whole square. Okay, fine. What next, What about next we have the result like a x power 8 into x square is nothing but x power 5, 10 is there. Now we'll prepare x power 5 secant x. Okay. Next x power 5 plus next go to 20 x power 4 cos x. Okay. But denominator we have the result x power 5 sin x plus 5x power 4 cos x whole square dx right now. Okay, we can check x power 5 into x power 5, x power 10 is there. Secant into cos is nothing but 1 only. Same result only. Okay, na? Same we have the result is nothing but x power. Okay, na? X power 4 is there. But what about its final result? 20 into x power 4. Next we have the first one. It is which is nothing but you have got second one. By using integration by parts only. Integration by parts. Okay. What about you have the result first one, you know very well. But complete previous formation is there. What about previous minus secant x power 5 secant x. By denominator same as it is right x power 5. Next go to sin x plus 5 x power 4 cos x as it is right. Second term, what about result tan x? Okay, see you can observe that first and second already similar to previous problem. Already is there x secant x same as it is right. What about denominator as it is? Okay, minus. What about denominator x power 4 is there? X power 4 will take common, that is minus x secant x by x sin x plus 5 cos x plus tan x plus cm. Once again, so previous is one of the difficult level problem. Then remaining also very difficult problem. But very difficult also already you know that process similar to previous. Will prepare one of the multiplying and dividing with x power 8 and one more multiplying and dividing with multiplying secant x cos x is 1. But we have the similar to previous as it is right up. First and second one you have the formation f dash x by f of x whole square is there. So same formation x secant as it is right up minus right up minus as it is denominator only, you should not write to square. Okay, plus second term as it is. What about result tan x is there. You know x power 4 is a common factor get cancelled. It is one of the required result. What about we have the observation. But each and every problem we have got is a linked problem. What about analysis? So next today's we have discussion going on integration by parts. Integration by parts one of the integration by cancelled. Okay na? But next tomorrow we will discuss few more types of integrations. Okay, just what about you have the observation. What about given product of two functions are given that which is the first and second, that is depends on one of the tip is there. The tip is islet. What about islet. So depends on first to 3 treat as first one, second to anyone will given that second function. So it is one of the process. Next we will discuss few more types of integrations. Okay, right.